Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share with you what's in my Louis Vuitton box. So, a couple months ago I saw that Louis Vuitton had come back with this bag, but in a little bit of a different leather. So I sent this to my husband, a link to it for my wish list for next year for my birthday. Anyways, he ended up getting it for me a couple weeks ago and surprising me with this at one of our little date nights. And I am just so excited to share with you with this bag because this has been one of my dream bags. I have been wanting one of these types of bags from Louis Vuitton forever. It's just they never really have a lot of selections in this style, and it's such a great bag for moms, or if you love to travel or want to be hands-free, you are going to want to check out this bag. So let's get started. Alright, so here it is. It is the new Louis Vuitton Moncerise backpack in turtle dove empreinte leather. I think I'm saying that right. I'm so excited for this. So they have this in a canvas material as well, but I actually love this kind of like nice empreinte leather, which I don't have any of this in my Louis Vuitton, and so this is the first one I have, and I just love this color. I feel like it's so chic, it's not loud, and it's so classy and goes with everything. So even though you know it's Louis Vuitton, it's not like it says Louis Vuitton like all of my other canvas ones. So I love this because it's just a nice, classy backpack, and it's big. So big enough for me, at least, for all of my stuff when I'm traveling, especially since I have my family and Jade and stuff and my camera. I want to be able to fit as much as I can, and I feel like this is one of the bigger size backpacks that they have in Louis Vuitton. That's actually really cute and has like nice straps. The other ones that they have, I feel like either way too small or they're boyish looking, but I love this. And then I wanted to show you the inside because it's this nice pink color. It's so pretty. So I already have an organizer in this, and it's the same organizer that I got for my Neverfull. I just got it in pink and in a smaller size. I just like having this in there for safety reasons, because I feel like if I'm going to put a lot of stuff in there, this will be that extra protection, especially like with my Neverfull. My little organizer has done me so well. The insides look so clean, and it looks actually like brand new. So I don't know how this kind of like suede material will hold up, so I just wanted to make sure to have that in there just as a precaution as a mother since it is a lighter material. So I'm really excited about this. This does have a pocket in the front, a little zipper pocket here. And I have my little Louis Vuitton mask in there. Because nowadays you never know when you need a mask. So I have that in there. And then in here it does also have like a little pocket in there as well. And this, like, I think it's like a little tag, little keychain, but this comes in, this empreinte leather comes in black, and then like a cream color, which is more of like a lighter white color. The reason I didn't get the black is because I feel like it's too businessy and almost looks like those Chanel backpacks, which that wasn't the look that I was going for. And I didn't get the cream, which is like almost like a white, because I was honestly so worried about like color transfer or just stains on there. And but this color I think is just perfect for me and for my lifestyle as a mom and somebody that travels. I just want to be able to not have to worry about this, with this kind of leather. So we'll see how it holds up. I'll definitely do like a review or what's in my bag when I get more used to it. But I'm really excited about this. I think it's Such a beautiful bag, and I'm just going to give you a little bit more of a look, and then I'm also going to share with you how it looks on me so you can get a size comparison on a 5'2" petite frame. Here's the size of the backpack on me. As you can see, it's a pretty good size backpack. It's definitely larger than most Louis Vuitton backpacks. Here's more of a close-up so you can see those details, and then a side profile of the backpack. I love this particular size on me. You can also use the top handle to wear it on your arms, but it's such a great travel bag and also a great mom bag too. Alright guys, and that is it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of my newest Louis Vuitton Montrese backpack. Stay tuned for more reviews and also what's in my bag. And if you'd like to see how I style this bag, make sure you follow me on my blog and Instagram channels. Thanks and have a great day. Bye guys.